Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Cat Bob's Vlogs. Thank you for watching. I am so excited to be here and finally be just out of the house a little bit. Like, aren't y'all so glad that quarantine is starting to fizzle out a little bit? So things are getting back to somewhat of a new normal for us. I'm sitting here with my daughter. She is playing in the back of Daddy's truck while we wait for Daddy to get dressed, while we are ready to go out to eat. We're gonna go hang out. We live in Louisiana, so the restaurants have been open for a few weeks now and all is clear. So I am currently drinking a margarita out of a #DadLife cup. I don't drink very often, so don't judge me. I know there's going to be some haters, but I'm really enjoying this beautiful weather. It's about 80 degrees here. It's amazing. So I just wanted to do a quick little intro, introduce myself, and just say hey, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh yeah, I might need to add that this video is going to be about removing your hair of colors with vitamin C and clarifying shampoo. Hey you guys, so I know this is like really unflattering lighting and everything, but I just wanted to like record this and see how this goes. It might be interesting. So my hair, I dyed it before the quarantine started, or like right when it began, and it was like really dark and like just silky and great. But now that it's fading, it's kind of got this like red tone to it. It doesn't have like the pretty shiny luster and everything, so it's time for me to make a change. And my roots are coming out and they are like so ashy. Like, I wonder if there's some gray in there because it just looks really bad compared to the color that I have. So I decided that I would get some emergency packets, and I mixed some clarifying shampoo with some emergency, and it's really bubbly. I feel like I'm doing this wrong, but I've seen people do this and I figured, you know, it's a natural way to do this, so it can't hurt. But I'm gonna try to strip the color out of my hair and see what I have left, and if I'm comfortable with it, then I'm gonna dye it blonde myself. So we will see what happens. So stay tuned. I'm just going to put this on my hair. Addie's taking a nap. I'm gonna leave it on for about an hour and then wash it off, and I'll let you know what happens. So I'm gonna start separating my hair. I'm gonna put a towel. Okay, so this is what I used. It's just emergency packets. I used 5 of them, and I have baby monitor here so I can see my baby. So this is crazy. I mean, it already looks like it's getting lighter. I don't know. So I'm just adding some water and lathering it up real good. Oh my god, y'all, look. Like, you can totally tell that it's doing something. I can swear. It looks so much lighter already. Alright, so just gonna like stick this on the top of my head. It looks terrible. Y'all, I've got to get new mascara. I live in Louisiana, so it's like really humid here, and my mascara has been just like melting off. So now I'm just gonna put a plastic bag on my head. And that is gonna be that for now. My bracelet to tie it. So I will let you know in an hour what happens. Okay, you guys, I can't express how much I smell like vitamin C, emergency tropical. My husband just came home a little earlier than I expected, and he's worried as to what I'm up to. I told him it's not hair dye, but he knows better. It's technically not hair dye. This is what it looks like when it's wet. It's been about an hour. So my baby's gonna wake up before long, so I'm just gonna leave it in for this amount of time. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off. I'm excited to see what happens. What an experiment. I definitely think the ends of my hair are gonna be pretty light because they were bleached before. So we'll see what happens. I hope it's, you know, a good color to where I could just leave it as is. I just mainly hated the clash of that red tone with my like ashy blonde roots. So we'll see what happens. So this is what it looks like so far. Alright, you guys, so this is the final result. It's probably hard to tell, but I can totally see a difference. It's definitely not as red as it was. It's definitely in the blonde family versus just being like a brown color. It's getting there. So it's a lot lighter. I don't know if I'm comfortable putting a box dye on top of this myself, but I think it's at a good place to where if I went to the salon to get highlights, I would be very pleased with the results. And I'm sure that it'll continue to lighten. I might do another round in like a week. We'll see. So that's where we are now. It's probably hard to tell in here. Let me see if the lighting is better. So you can see some of the highlights that I had before are shining through. This up here is definitely a little lighter. Crazy. I wish it was lighter, but I definitely think that it helped cleanse my hair and gave me some lightness. Hey you guys, so thank you for watching. I hope this was informative or interesting or something. I personally am pleased with the way that my hair turned out. I have washed it a couple times with clarifying shampoo, but this is the result, so I'll kind of give you a little more. So to me it has a very golden tone still, but it's definitely not red like it was. So we have a lot of the blonde seeping through. It's very much like a honey blonde type of color, I guess. Let me know what y'all think it is. Let me know if you think I need to get some highlights or if I should just leave it the way it is. But for now, it's saving me some money, and that money is much appreciated because we're buying a new house. So I am trying to save all the monies so that I can buy furniture and everything for the new house. So please stay tuned on my channel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you're new here. My name is Kat Fob, and you can follow me on Instagram at Catherine.Fob, F-A-B-R-E, just like it is on my channel description. There is a button you can click, and it's right on the cover of my YouTube channel if you want to use that to get to Instagram. That's another way to do it. So thanks for stopping by. I hope this was interesting, and if you have any questions, please comment below.